Hey guys, what's up? This is Cythrone here, and introducing a new game mode of Minecraft that you can get off Modzilla.com. It is called ZombieCraft. It's practically Nazi zombies, as you would remember from Call of Duty World at War or Black Ops, which is out now. I am holding a ray gun and killing zombies in Nacht der Untoten, which is one of the 3 maps of ZombieCraft. I will show you around. Oh, if you're wondering who this dorky guy is a computer. Okay, I'm going to show you around. Here is the mystery box. Doesn't look the same as it you would, as you recognize it. But it is where you're in the building, and you've got a pistol, and you go in get guns, and you just survive. You can only do weapons, and I'll show you the perks. Like, there are perks. That I don't really know what it's used for, really, because I'm not sure if you actually can reload your gun on this, but you do run out of ammo. That's Juggernaut. I'm using it right now, and I have armor. Minus the support soda, which gives you a computer teammate. And I think my computer teammate is dead. Dang, poor computer teammate. Now I got a new one. Kill them all! And pretty much for the rest of this video, I'll just kind of like be fighting. Oh man, I'm out of ammo. Hold them back! We must not die! Yeah, I think I'm pretty much dead. That is ZombieCraft. Thank you, and goodbye.